Hi class, here's how to get your books through the bookstore. On the MSG website, click Bookstore, go down to Find and Order Your Textbooks Today. Once you get there, you should see this page. We go to Let's Get Started and select a semester, Fall 2019, campus. It'll give you options, but our campus is San Jacinto, that's my campus, and class. You can literally just type in the number. We'll do 1347 and select View Your Materials. Once you get there, you'll see the materials that we have. We only have one required text in this class, and this is the one. You'll get the ISBN and all of that good stuff, and the price. So you add that to your cart. Once you add that to your cart, you can go ahead and check out. Now, I would suggest if you have other classes, definitely get all your books at one time, because there is a shipping fee if you want it sent to your house, and it's the same price whether you have one book or 5. Okay, so now, did I go to my cart? Let's see, I think I clicked the wrong button. Sorry, guys. Now you're in your cart, and you're going to go to checkout. Now, if you have a voucher, like EOPS or Gain, EOPS, you can actually go through all the steps on your own. You fill in the information, and then the next step will ask for your voucher ID. If you have Gain, you will need to take the estimate of the book amount to your counselor and allow them to send the order to the bookstore. I hope that was helpful for all of you.